Can you give examples of how you use research in your work?
Sure. Critical, I'll say. It is critical to the job, to the company, right? We have to learn from a product development perspective. We have to talk to our customers, right? We say at Sonos, like, we are not the customer. Yes, we love music. Everyone is so passionate about music. We have obviously speakers upon speakers in our homes,
Sure.
but we're not the customer because we're too close to it. We can't be unbiased when it comes to the pain points that exist with people that are not like technical experts and know, the ins and outs of speaker technology. So we talk to them, right? We put products in people's homes that are unreleased. We use our beta team in order to, at a point in the process, put unreleased product in their home, hear from them, revise the software. Even early on in that incubation phase, we'll put early concepts, if it's something new for us, in people's homes. I was, when I was a PCL, product creation leader, early on at Sonos, we were developing what is now the Move, Sonos Move, which was our first battery-powered product. But at the time, we didn't have anything that was battery-powered, right? So how do we know what's the right size, what's the right sound, right? Are people going to charge it at night, or do we need to have some way to have it be charged, right? So we had the Play One, which was our smallest product, and we put that with a battery, and we 3D printed a housing around it and kind of painted it black so it looked okay, and we put that in people's homes. So we put one in LA, we put one in Chicago, we put one in London, and we had people live with it for a week. And they had to log, some, journal, right? Some diaries about the experience. And then we went and did home visits to each of those sites. So I went to all those locations with our user research team and our product management team and our user experience team. And we saw how they enjoyed the product. And there was one moment that was really pivotal for me about how we actually changed part of the direction for the product. And it was in Chicago, and we said, well, show me, how do you, they said, well, it's always running out of batteries. Like, this is the only problem with it, it's always running out of batteries. And in my head, it's like, well, if you charge it every night, it should be, like, we put a big battery, we put more than enough in this prototype. And well, show me, well, it's charging right now. Oh, cool, show me where you have it charging. And they brought me over, and I looked, and it was sitting on the table, and the charging cable was sitting right next to it, unplugged. I said, oh, I forgot to plug it in, right? So how many people at night, you have your phone, you forget, the cable's right there.
Yes.
Just that last little was too much. I said, got it, we're gonna put in a charging station in the box. Nice. So that was it. Because this product now can be a room of music, so you have it on this loop dock charging station. It charges all the time. Anytime you pick it up, it's charged and ready to go. And then also when it's in the home, it fills that room with music. So it was a way to click, got it, we need to put that in the box, because if we don't,
Observational research.
Yes.
Right? And asking questions to people not on the project, so you're getting raw data. Right? And then having the desire to want to make a better product for everybody.
Yes.
So that gives you opportunities for that aha moment to discover what the next thing is that you need to do.
That's right.
Right? And
Absolutely.
so research is really important, and understanding the commitment to it, I think, is what leads you into a path of discovery, right?
Yeah, totally. That whole product started because we thought people wanted an outdoor speaker, right? But when most people think about outdoor speakers for the home, they think about what's attached to the house, right? It's mounted to the side of the house so you can listen when you're outside. But the research said that's not what people want. They wanted, sometimes it was the backyard. Sometimes it was when they were raking leaves in the front. Sometimes when you're shoveling snow. Sometimes when you're playing, hockey in the street. So they actually wanted something they could move around the outside spaces of the home. So that totally shifted the concept altogether, that early research.
For more information on the innovations that are shaping our world, visit tomorrowsworldtoday.com or check out the Tomorrow's World Today Facebook and Instagram pages.